Josh! Josh! I'm working on a song here. Do you have to make all that noise? Dude, I can't concentrate. I can't hear you! I'm wearing earplugs! Oh. Ah! Dude, can't you build your mechanical dork machine somewhere else?
It's not a dork machine. It's a 1/8 scale working replica of a medieval catapult.
So?
So, when I'm done, this baby's gonna be able to fling stuff over 50 feet through the air.
Impressive. Oh, hey, why don't you climb in and fling yourself out of my room?
But this is my room.
It was my room first.
All right, let's compromise. We could... I was just gonna say, but I just wanted...